Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. I'm from 2C Usman. Today I will tell you about mention three objects that are longer than 1 meter. 3. Whiteboard. Window. Draw a ring round the maximum you use for each object. Cheese. Gram. Watermelon. Kilogram. Human. Kilogram. Crayon. Gram. Draw a line 30 centimeter long. Finish. What is the mass of each item of food? Watermelon 3 kilogram. Grape 100 gram. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.